Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple. What stands out, what to check, and who the home cleaning find is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. The furniture riser is made of pine wood. Protects furniture and floors, ensuring durability. More stable and that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Increases height and storage space under beds and furniture, making it easier to clean under furniture, especially. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Each furniture riser can bear 500 kilograms. For beds, sofas, desks, cabinets, bedside tables, TV cabinets, and other heavy. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are cleaner home, time saver, and easy routine. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the home cleaning find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.